Hey everyone, and welcome to SDV, Street Driven Vehicles. I'm Naj, and today I'm going to be reviewing a 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. Let's get straight into it. So here it is, guys, the 2018 Mustang EcoBoost. Now this car is powered by an inline-4 engine producing 310 horsepower at 5,500 RPMs and 350 foot-pounds of torque at 3,000 RPMs. This has the optional 10-speed automatic transmission instead of the 6-speed manual, and it has the optional orange fury paint, bringing the total MSRP up to $27,400. Let's take it for a drive. So here we are in the inside now. Now the car has a nice leather wrapped steering wheel. We do get paddles. I'm sure they're not that good, but we'll test them out. Start stop engine button. There's a USB port right underneath it. There is a USB port also in the armrest. Other than that, there's not much else to show you. It comes with like a rear view camera, no sensors. There is Bluetooth. There's no satellite radio unless you pay extra for that. You can't connect your phone. Other than that, like, it's pretty basic inside. Like, you just don't get all that much in the interior aspect of it. Let's take it for a drive. I'm gonna put it in sport mode and try to use these paddles. I don't know if they're gonna be any good, but we'll see. So right off the bat, you can tell it has some power. It is a little bit snowy here, so I do get a lot of slippage. The pedals are not that bad. I thought they'd be worse. They are a little leggy, but not horrible. Alright, do I go left or do I go right? Let's go right. Nah, let's go left. Yeah, the paddles are not that bad at all. Like it shifts when you tell it to shift. It's not like a double clutch system or anything like that, but it's decent. Oh dang, we're doing 140. Gotta slow it right down. Well, yeah, there you go. So it's got some giddy up. It's I would say it's a pretty quick car. Yeah, it's not bad at all. I like it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So I just noticed that there is like a steering wheel feel button, so you can go to normal mode, you can go to sport mode, and you can go to comfort mode. And sport mode does make the steering wheel quite tight. Woo! Let me tell you, if you guys do not hit your paddle to shift, it will not shift for you. It will just rev high. So yeah, don't hit the rev limiter. This car is not bad. It's actually a lot of fun. I don't know if you guys can hear it through the mic, but it makes a pretty good noise for a 4-cylinder. I'm slipping, I'm slipping, I'm slipping. And we're good. Yeah, it's not a bad little car. So that sums up the 2018 Mustang EcoBoost review. This is SDV, Street Driven Vehicles. I'm Naj. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to comment, subscribe, and like. I'll be uploading new content every Monday, so I'll see you next time.